under the Labour Green governments.
Question number 12, Peseta Sam Lotu-Iiga.
Thanks, Mr Speaker. My question is to the Minister of Consumer Affairs. What progress is the government making on tougher loan shark laws?
Mr Speaker.
The Honourable Simon Bridges.
Really strong progress. I'm glad the member asks. I've attended a series...
Order, I apologise to the Minister. The Minister will just sit down for a moment. I do want to hear this answer. I'm sure it's a very important answer. The Honourable Simon Bridges.
Mr Speaker, I know this is a matter of high public interest that the members are interested in. I've attended a series of public meetings in Wellington, Auckland and Christchurch in the last fortnight, and I intend to also attend one with the Pacific Island community in Auckland later next week on the Credit Contracts and Consumer Finance Amendment Bill. So far there's been solid support for the comprehensive package this government has put together and is currently consulting on to crack down on loan sharks and give borrowers greater protection. There are many credit companies that are transparent and responsible, but there are others that aren't. The progress being made on this issue should signal to those unscrupulous lenders that their days are numbered.
Peseta Sam Lotu-Iiga.
Supplementary question to the Minister. What are the next steps for the draft law and proposals?
The Honourable Simon Bridges.
Mr Speaker, this draft law represents the biggest change to consumer credit legislation in a decade, and it's important to get the details right. I have extended the consultation time frame to give people more chance to have their say. Consultation now closes on the 25th of May, and I urge anyone interested, clearly there is a lot of interest, to make a submission to the Ministry of Consumer Affairs. Can I personally thank the member who's asked the question, Peseta Sam Lotu-Iiga, for his leadership in this area and his heartfelt work protecting the vulnerable against loan sharks.
And that does, point of order, the Right Honourable Winston Peters.
On the National Party backbench, I lost the name of the person who was being thanked.
Order. Order. Was there a supplementary question from the Honourable Tariana Turi, a supplementary question?
To the Minister for Consumer Affairs. Will the Minister be working closely with the Māori Party on curbing loan sharking parasites, given the Māori Party's continued commitment to reducing social hazards, including gambling, tobacco, alcohol and, of course, loan sharks?
The Honourable Simon Bridges.
Mr Speaker, it's my understanding that the Māori Party has been at the forefront on this issue for some time, and it would be a pleasure and a privilege to work more with the Māori Party on this issue, given their track record when it comes to significant social issues and bringing them to the fore in this Parliament.
And that brings to a close questions for oral answer. I call on Government Order of the Day number 1.